In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your constant contact email with the recipient's first name. Personalizing your emails with a first name is a simple way to make your message feel more friendly and relevant, and it can improve engagement. I'll walk you through the exact process inside your email draft, and I'll share a few pointers so everything looks clean and professional when you preview it. Start by opening your Constant Contact email draft. You can use any existing draft you're working on. Once the editor loads, identify the text block where you want the first name to appear. This is usually in your greeting, like at the top of your message, but you can also add it within the body if you're referencing the contact by name later on. Click directly on that text block to activate the editing toolbar for that specific section. Next, place your cursor exactly where you want the name to show up. For a standard greeting, you might type something like "Hi" first, then position the cursor after the comma and space so the name appears in just the right spot. Being precise here helps prevent awkward spacing or punctuation issues once the name populates. Now open the personalization or insert contact detail option. In the editor's toolbar, you'll typically see a button labeled Personalize, Merge, or Insert Contact Details. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version of the editor, but they all serve the same purpose: pulling information from your contact list into the email content. Click that option to open the available fields. From the list of fields, choose First Name. When you select it, the editor inserts a placeholder into your text, which represents each recipient's first name at send time. You'll see a token or bracketed text appear in your paragraph. Leave it exactly where you placed your cursor, and double check that spacing and punctuation around it look natural, for example, after a comma or before the rest of your sentence. Finally, preview the email to make sure the first name field appears correctly. Use the preview feature to see how the message will look to your audience. If your account shows a sample contact, you should see an actual name populate. Otherwise, you may see the placeholder, which is normal. Scan for spacing, capitalization, and tone to ensure it reads smoothly. If anything looks off, return to the editor, adjust the placement, and preview again until it looks perfect. That's all there is to it. Your email is now personalized with the recipient's first name.